Hello, this here is Joseph Mark back with reminders, here to remind you that life is great and it's going to stay that way. Not only is it going to stay that way, but it's going to get better. One, you are just learning more every day, and two, you are becoming a better person. You're becoming the person that you always wanted to be. And that's what life is. Life is a continuing, growing, evolving, and changing entity that we cannot stop. So what do? We are going to accept the change and say, not only am I accepting the change, but I am going to grow and change into something wonderful. And that's the way we have to look at life. Let's take this journey, let's accept it, embrace the change, embrace impermanent, and say it's supposed to change, because how could I be a greater person if I do not change? And we don't want to stay the same. We want to continue to grow. And today we are continuing our series on the Sasser series, which is the 5 principles of life. Self-acceptance. Okay, we need to accept ourselves and love ourselves just the way we are. And we need to really just get all those self-imposed, self-nonsense, strenuous demands that we put on ourselves. The ability to move forward. We need to continue to move forward in life and embrace life. Self-acceptance, the ability to move forward. Sense of humor. Keep your sense of humor in life. Sometimes that's all that you have. And you know what? That goes a long way sometimes. Operating within your circle of control. And sometimes we want to operate outside of our circle of control, and it can cause problems for us. And then relentless ambition. Don't give up. Stay hanging in there every day and do your best every day. And you know what? If you do your best and you don't get the outcome that you wanted, tomorrow's a new day. Try again. And you know what? When you do your best and you don't succeed at what you wanted to, you know you did your best and you succeeded inside. And remember, as long as you don't quit, you can't lose. So don't quit. You never quit. As long as you're playing the game, you never lose the game. Okay? So that's what we want to focus on. Today's topic is operating within our circle of control. And sometimes we as humans, we want to operate outside of our circle of control. And when we do that, we can run into a lot of problems. Most of it is strain and a lot of anxiety that we can cause ourselves by trying to control things or control others that really we don't have control over. When you think about it, you really do not have control over too much in life. But there are a lot of things that you do have control over. And some of the things that we have control over is our being. Okay? What do I have most absolute control over? And even that's not 100%. But for the biggest part, you have control over your being, how you process information, and how you react to information. And a lot of times we can, if we don't take our time, we can react in a negative way and cause negative things to happen. It cause a chain of events. And we don't want to do that. Take as much time as you can when you make your decisions and try to say, well, let me think about it. Let me sleep on it. And have you noticed sometimes when you sleep on things, sometimes you go, oh wow, maybe I should do it this way. Or you'll wake up with a refreshed spirit and you'll say, oh, well, this is the way I want to handle this. And I've done that many times. A lot of times I've acted rash and done something in the heat of the moment, and then I would say, oh wow, I wished I wouldn't have done it that way. But that's what we're talking about. Operating within your circle of control. Realize too, you cannot control others. Just as others cannot control you, they cannot make you believe or think a certain way, and I'm glad that they can't. You cannot do that also upon others, and you can't impose your will upon others. Now, we sometimes, especially if we've been in a relationship for a long time, we think, oh, I have the right to, tell this person this is how they should be. But really, it doesn't work that way, because we all have that free will that's just so ingrained in us that a lot of times if someone tries to impose something on you, automatically you want to rebel or repel it. So we want to just remember that just as we don't like that happening with us, it's also not up to us to impose our will upon others. And we can have disagreements, and disagreements are healthy. And sometimes whenever you disagree, you can say, well, you know, they brought up a good point, and you can look at things their way and maybe even change your views on something. So operate within your circle of control. Don't be overly concerned over things outside of your circle of control. There's a lot that I can't control. I can't control, you know, the problems in the Middle East. I can't control the fuel prices. I can't control the weather, the catastrophes, earthquakes, hurricanes. There's a lot of things I cannot control. What I can control is myself and things that are operating. I can control who I let in my life for the biggest part, or who I continue to associate with. If there are people in your life that bring you turmoil, that bring you anxiety, minimize your time, or just, you know, stop seeing them altogether. There's nothing wrong with it. It's your life, and you have total control over who you allow in your life. If you don't like your job, start seeking another job. If you don't like your place that you live, start looking for another place. If you don't like your car, consider buying another car. Make your world as pleasurable as you can. Everything that you have control over, take control over it. Most of all, you have control over yourself, over your speech, over your attitude. Make all those things great. When you get up in the morning, decide it's going to be a great day. I'm going to have a fabulous day. And I'm going to be in control over everything that I am. And I am going to enjoy life the way I'm supposed to. Okay, this here is Joseph Mark. I hope that helped you. Stay within your circle of control. You will be happier for it. And remember, life is great, and it's going to stay that way. Have a great day and stay beautiful. Till next time.